Hello and welcome to this tutorial video on how to use this particular spray bottle. Without further ado, let's begin. So to fill the bottle with liquid inside, just turn the head counterclockwise. Okay. In this scenario, I'm just going to fill up with water. You can also fill up with isopropyl alcohol and use it as a cleaning agent, which I do from time to time, So but in this example, I'm just going to fill up with water. So when you're done, you just put the head back in. Now, this is the most important part. For first time use, nothing happens. Don't worry about it. Remember, for first time use, press the trigger multiple times. So like this. See? It works already. You don't have to press it so many times like what I did, but I'm just doing this as a exaggerated example that you should, first time use, you should press it multiple times. Why? So that you will pump water up to the head. Okay, this spray works more like a pump, if you will. Okay, it's less of a spray and slightly more of a mini pump, okay, so to speak. So now every subsequent use, you just have to press one time. See, and it works. To make the spray last longer, you just have to press it multiple times. Look at how long the spray is. I squeeze 3 times. I think that's about like 4 seconds long. Press once, short. Press multiple times. Look at how long that lasts. Wonderful, right, this spray? So yeah, that's how you use it actually. I just want to show you the inner workings of the spray. So in case in future, if there's any issue, the spray, or it's suddenly not working, you know what to do, right? So this just got to ensure that this straw is plugged into that hole tightly, okay? Because sometimes there are some people who say, oh no, I can't spray anything. Well, do check that the straw is punched in all the way in. Because sometimes the straw can just like that, okay? But it appears that as though it's attached, but it's not in the bottle. So you just got to open up and ensure that it's really pushed all the way in, okay? Just make sure you press it all the way in so that it doesn't fall out, okay? So you should be able to spray again. Another part is this one. I just want to show you the inner workings of the spray. So this is the gasket inside. Is red in color. Just ensure that the gasket is not bunched up or anything like that. Because if it ever bunches up, which I don't think it has ever happened before, just know that there's a hole there. So just ensure that the hole is not blocked by the gasket. Just make sure the gasket is like this in this video, okay? Just make sure it's flat and it's round. It's not bunched up. Okay, I just want to show you the inside. So just make sure that once it's like this, right, you just have to tighten it all the way in. Another thing I want to add is try not to use viscous liquids such as cooking oil, olive oil, or thick liquids. I have right here is actually soap and water, which I've been using for quite a while. This is my own spray, as you can see. With that said, right, I have some customers who actually used cooking oil in this. I don't know why, but well, they asked, hey, can I use cooking oil? And they said, yeah. I told them that your mileage may vary. So in the end, he bought it. But I have not heard any news from him or her yet. So I just want to let you know. For me, I'll just try to stick to using non-viscous liquids such as isopropyl alcohol. Yeah, that's the good one. And or ordinary water in this case, or soap with water. You can use oil if you want, but your mileage may vary. Okay, I just want to let you know, okay, before you use this spray. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.